All right, so I put down some information already. I took the points from y is equal to sine of x, and I did the transformations using mapping notation because it's a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/4 and is a vertical stretch by a factor of 3. But this can get really tedious, so I'm going to show you another way that we can complete this. If I take a look at these questions, I know the new amplitude is going to be 3. So where everything was at 1 on the original graph, or -1, that's going to go up to 3, and it's going to go down to -3. So just get an idea about that. Then I'm going to find the period of this function. Because there's a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/4, to find my period, I go 2 pi over b, which is 2 pi over 4, which reduces to pi over 2. So what that means is that the original function used to occur between 0 and 2 pi, one rotation. But the new period is going to be between 0 and pi over 2. So that's going to be a substantial horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/4. So if we look at this graph up here, just get rid of these. This graph up here, remember those 5 points I said were important. Those 5 points are 0, 0, your max here, your x-intercept here, your min here, and your 2 pi 0 there. All of that now, that took over 2 pi, is going to happen between 0 and pi over 2. So I'm going to plot my 3 x-intercepts, and I'm going to plot my amplitude, which is now, because of the 3 there, it's going to go up and have a max of 1, 2, 3, and that's going to happen right in between the first 2 zeros, and it's going to go down 1, 2, 3, excuse me, right in between the last 2 zeros. So my first cycle of this graph is going to look like this, and this graph is going to extend all the way to positive and negative 2 pi following the same. I'll let you do that and check the solutions. Thanks.